Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here we're gonna teach you how to integrate PinChat with Instagram Messenger. Select the link you're gonna do the integration. Click on third-party integration, Instagram integration. Basically, most of the steps are already captured in this article, but today I'm still use this video to demonstrate you how to step-by-step do the integration. So first, open your app in Meta Developer Console. Click on Product, Messenger, and then add your Instagram page on the Instagram setting page. Here's the dashboard for Meta for developers. And you'll see here's the product. And if you haven't added the product, your Messenger as the product, you can add messengers here. I already added, so I don't need to. And select Instagram settings. Second, after you add it, please copy the page ID of your Instagram page and fill it in the input field below. So I need to find out the page ID, and here it is. If you don't have one, you need to add your page. Here I paste it. And third, press on the Generate Token button on the right-hand side of your Instagram page and copy the page access token and fill it in the input field below. So here it is. Generate the tokens. Understand. Copy and done. So token has already been generated. Paste it. Fourth, copy this webhook URL and paste it to the callback URL in the setting area. So copy this one and add callback URL. And for the verified token, I use the URL here. So verify and save. Last one, once you confirm all data you fill in is correct, press on save to complete the integration. So save it. And everything's done. So you can start to chat with all the customers from Instagram directly from the dashboard of PinChat. PinChat, the on-demand chat tool.